Making a banana cough cocktail at home is very simple. This cocktail is especially popular in the cold season, when the risk of colds is maximum. 1. Most often, such a banana cough cocktail is prepared for children, and cocoa is added to the milk mass to make it tastier. So, first we need to boil the milk, and let it cool down a little. 2. Peel the banana, and knead it with a fork. 3. Add a teaspoon of cocoa, and mix the mass. Banana can be crushed in a blender. 4. Mix the banana mass with warm milk. Mix thoroughly and our cocktail is ready.